Hi friends, so today I will let you know how we can create group without help of your email administrator or your company administrator. You can create Office 365 group itself. Okay, so from Outlook, so let's go to Outlook. Okay, so let's click on new, and here is the option we can create the group. Okay, for the email communication also and teams groups also. Okay, we can share the calendar as well on that group. So click on group. Here you can put the name like uh, chat internal communication. Okay, so this is the email address. It will be automatically created. Here is a name. Okay, that is the email address that is available. We can, that will be automatically created internal communication at techitconnect.com. Okay, that will be also reflecting in your Office 365 portal. Without help of, you can create Office 365 group. Okay, like description, text, sensitive, your no need to select. Okay, here is your option private, privacy, private, public. If you select the public, anyone from your organization can join this group. If you want to select private, only approved members, like if you want to select, then you can add, like you will be as the owner of that group. Okay, without your permission they cannot join this group. So we can select the private, all, send all group communication events member inbox. Okay, so that option, if you send that email to that group, that email will be sent to their inbox as well. Okay, click on create. So group will be creating. It will take some time. Still it's creating. It will take a while for creating the group. That will be almost done. Okay, so if you want add your members, like text 3, okay, text 1. Okay, you can select the members, click on add. Okay, edit group operation is successfully okay. Okay, so group is created, and that group will be reflecting in your group profile. This is Office 365 group, and you can add any members in this group and you can remove, because you are the owner of that group. Without your permission, no one add in this group. And that is the email group as well. You can send the email communication to all recipient which are added in this group. So this is the option how we can create a group without email administrator, without your company IT member. You can create group itself. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.